Of course, UPA is not in government. It's not in Broadbased. Because if you have to negotiate, if there is anything good in Broadbased, I have to come as a party with my team. We negotiate the cake we get from the government with the condition of democracy, of course, and accountability. So I'm not, even if I work with the government, but it's between now and 2027. It will not be on, because 2027 candidates must set the agendas to us so that we can make an informed decision. Yes, so I'm not in the government. But I don't mind working with the government if it can allow space for other players to do politics. You look at what happened in Tanzania. My friend was locked up. So Suluhu was competing with Samia, isn't it? So that situation we don't want. So we want space. And government is not a monster. You can work with it. But to Joy, my basic issue is that unity of Omosi, so that whenever we talk with one voice.
Na mutomete.
Tina saw Broadbased. And the Broadbased, that young was joining the youths Babo Osoro. No agenda. Again, to Kiara and go neck. As to Ankoraga and Avantavan, Bagajati meeting over aggressive. Bagazan to Karagaramo. You want to about the Mangan, the Quantia Senate, the Quantia Mana Broadbased. Now, in this government Broadbased, to Kwana. Get and go Kwana. No Manene Patio Korgo, William Ruto, or so what an Egypt. Tadi ebi mura bingo amarabiravia. Elia kabere. Yonte nena batamango kwana obo mobuomogusi. O mobuomogusi e kauri anete go change. Na ende ne bane party e koruomo era keo. Yongo isanza ne party ne bwata organs. Tuagamba na ntwa consult na bantu baito tuama yako move ojimoto. Otherwise iwabo linkeyo. Ekiarange ganetio ogosaini ngoganetiki okogamba na ntomana ki obokimo bezani kitoko butorero lakini ntora arenge ari nsemeshi